friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do an elephant toothpaste experiment. The things you'll need are a cylinder, a tray, hydrogen peroxide, a funnel, measuring cup, dish soap, food coloring, safety glasses, yeast, warm water. And then you can put the safety glasses on. Open the lid of the hydrogen peroxide. Ask a grown-up for help because it can irritate your skin. Pour some in the measuring cup. And then pour the hydrogen peroxide in the cylinder. Take the funnel out. And then get the dish soap and add and 2 tablespoons. Pour it into the cylinder. And then get your food coloring. And then pour it onto each side. And then add the yeast in the water to activate it. And then mix it for 30 seconds. And then pour it into the cylinder. Wow, so cool, elephant toothpaste. Be careful, don't touch the foam as it's an exothermic reaction and is hot. How this experiment works. Hydrogen peroxide is composed of water and oxygen. The yeast is catalyst that takes the oxygen away from hydrogen peroxide, which then gets trapped by dish soap from lots of bubbles. I hope you enjoy my video. Please try these experiments at home and share with me. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. For now, bye!